Hi, and welcome back. My name is Chloe, if you're new here, and today I'm gonna do a little quickie hairstyle. I'm growing out my hair. This is the longest it's been since like 2016. We are long. We are very long. So we got the stage of the hair that is just a flip out. It just does this. If we were in the 90s, that could work. But I don't like the flip out. So I am going to straighten just the bottom of my hair. I do a quick straighten on the bottom section of my hair just because I curled all the tops, but with short hair, you kind of don't need to curl everything. So I just straighten the bottoms. Just very lightly. I'm using the Masters 1.5 inch flat iron. The infrared is sold out, but the regular one is available. It still has keratin treatment, which is great. The temperature on this is set to 340. So just a quick straighten on the bottom and we're good to go. I'm putting it at an angle and kind of framing my face, just like that. And we'll let it sit, and then I straighten the ends, just like that. So this way, especially when I do these front pieces, I like to go over so that I get that same angle on the other side. If you don't do this, then one side of your hair is gonna look one way and the other side is gonna look another. They're not gonna be in the same position. So just a little trick. And then over here, I just kind of manipulate that angle again so I'm not going over my head. I just normally do that on the front pieces. Straighten, do this all around. All right, once you're done with the section, it should look like this. I just curled it all away from my face, and then we will move on. All right, this front section again, I'm gonna go over my head and just add that. See how it just like swoops and kind of curtains down and then goes back? That's what I like for the front. I'm gonna add in a curl that goes towards my face just to add a little bit of variation and movement. Here we go. And we'll straighten the ends. So I'm not gonna do this front section first. So I'll start on the second curl. This one I'm gonna curl towards my face to add that variation. Smaller sections on the top to make sure that the curls are just a little bit tighter. Don't touch them, let them cool. All right, we're just gonna keep this one separate just for now. Ooh, itchy nose, hair being in my face. Since I'm doing like kind of a side part, I'm gonna section just this top piece so I can get all of the layers underneath. me see if I want to flip this over. So I'm gonna keep this curl just like that, kind of add some movement, but with these, I am going to curl them away from my face. You see how I waited there? Whenever I flip it, sometimes, like when I had shorter hair, I would just let the curls be from the other side, but now that my hair's a little longer, it lays differently, so I need to help those curls get where they need to go. We're gonna add some texture spray. Just dump your head upside down, spray the texture spray, and then flip it back over. Take some hairspray. We'll spray that on there. Don't touch it. Let it dry just for a second, and then we'll run our hands through it, and then we'll be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you recreate it, let me know how it turned out for you. I would love to see it. And yeah, I'm having fun with my longer hair. It's getting poofier and bigger, which I absolutely love. I just love all of this oomph down here. It's fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I'll see you in my next one.